Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to find solution through Khan Academy app. Make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and you have already logged into this app. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get started. Open your Khan Academy app. Here we go. This appears. Now scroll down. Here you can see my courses topic. Tap on that. Now you will see different options relating to math, science. Here I'm gonna choose topic relating to math, that is statistics and probability. After you are done, tap on done on the bottom. Now tap on statistics and probability. Here you will see different topics relating to statistics and probability. Now choose the topic. Here I will be choosing summarizing quantitative data. Now I will be choosing the top option, statistics intro. Here you can see now video has been played. This video will help you to find the solution to your questions. In this way, you can solve any questions you were confused about. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.